Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a digital caliper. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid £7.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. And of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling it cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do first is show you the information on the packaging, and then of course show you how the product works, and we can take it from there. So this one is a mid-size box, medium-sized box. So let's just zoom in on the information here. On the top right, quickly we can see that this product comes with 3 years warranty. Some technical information on the left side, which you can pause and read if you wish, and this specific one comes with a battery included. Now we can see here that where you can use it. It says internal gauge, external gauge, depth measurement, and this is what the actual product looks like. So this is the information on the front. Now at the bottom, on the top, the sides, and on the back. Now there's a lot of text here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in and you can pause to read it if you wish. And that's the information on the box. Now the way to open this one is either from the left side or the right side. You are going to need something such as a scissor or a knife. I use a scissor in my case because there is a plastic sealing on it. So let's just open this one. It comes with an instruction booklet or owner's manual. Now this specific one has on the back has a barcode which you can scan to get the online PDF format if you wish to. The actual caliper itself the actual digital caliper itself, it comes in a nice box. So let's just open it. This is the battery that comes with it, and this is the actual tool itself. Is definitely heavy. I can tell you that it's made out of a good material, and it's metal, it's not plastic. This is a screen. So what we can see from here, this is the digital screen, which you get the on-off, the reset button, which is the 0, and you change from inches to millimeters. Now we need to find out where the battery gets installed. So let's see. I believe, if I'm not wrong, this here should pop out. Yeah, I was correct. So what I'm going to do is, so let me just show you again. The way to install the battery on this one is this part here. If you put your finger and push it back with a little bit of force, it should open, and that's where you put the battery. Now it tells you that the negative side goes, that the positive pole is upside down. Now one thing I would advise you not to do, although I'm going to do it in this video, I would advise you not to do it. If you're going to install any type of these batteries, always use a plastic glove. Never do it with your bare hands, because by touching the negative pole is on the top, the positive pole is on the back, and by touching the battery like I'm doing now, well, this is sealed of course, there is a possibility you are going to cause a short circuit to the battery, which will have an effect on the life of span of the battery, and you may damage the battery as well. So very few people know that, but keep that in mind, and always wear a pair of gloves to actually install it. So let me just open that one. As you can see, the positive is on the back. So the way to put this one, I believe, is like that. And we should find out if it works or not. There we are. Hopefully the camera can zoom in. and then we just put the lid back again. That will lock in place, and then as we can see here, that one turned on. Now we need to press the 0, I believe, or does it start from -1? Let me see. Yeah, from the looks of it. Let's do it again. Now, what is that? I'm not entirely sure what this small ball is here for. This specific one, I'm not entirely sure what this would be for. So this is what it looks like when the battery is on. Now this specific one here, I have no idea what this does. I have no. You guys might know. You can put it on the comments, but I don't know what this actually small screw does. You can't push it. You can only lock it and unlock it, and I don't know what this part here does either. Now, if I were to open that one, oh, I think this, I know what this does. So what this does is will lock and unlock this part. So instead of this moving this part by mistake, you would just tight it in, and then it won't move left and right. So we found out what this is for. Now, let's see. So if I change this to inches, there we are. So if you press the blue button once, it goes to inches. If you press it again, it goes to millimeters. So that's 32.57 millimeters, which is 3.2, almost 3.3 centimeters. And there you are. So I'm just going to use the box here as an example. So let's find out, for example, the length of the top side of the box. And there you are. So it would be 91.83 or 9.1 centimeters. And that's it pretty much. It's as simple as that. It's one of those tools that you use to measure stuff. I have used different ones, but I haven't used this specific one. And it's as simple as that. You put it back, and that would go, and then you should press a 0, so it balances out. Now the only thing I don't know, guys, is I'm not entirely sure what this is here for. Maybe it's there to help us assist the. Oh, I see. I found out, guys. So what this is for, this part here for is once you just push it, and once you push it, if you put some force and scroll it, what this will do is it will open the. It will move. So instead of doing it like that, what you can do is you can use that one to go back and go forth. And that's it pretty much. So we found out what the top does. So the top would lock, let's say we want it to be there, this would lock in place. Do it anti-clockwise to unlock it again, and this part here, it would go back and it would go forth. So that's what the reason is there. So we managed to figure it out, and that's pretty much. So this is a digital caliper from PARKSIDE, a very interesting tool to have. Again, I'm not entirely sure how many times I personally am going to use that, but it's out there if anybody was interested in seeing what's in the box and what it actually looks like. So the only thing I forgot to show you is the information here. And that's it pretty much, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, have a nice, take care and stay safe.